Good morning. How's everyone doing out there? This is MSG, Action Cam Jackson, sidekick. We're on our way. Good morning, YouTubers. Hope everyone's doing good. And as usual, within keeping with my style, I have once again forgotten one important piece of equipment for me to begin my journey to the United States. My helmet. I forgot to bring my helmet. Can you imagine that? So we're off. We're gonna go take the Autoroute 15 south, which will bring me into Champlain, New York. Guys, I'm so excited. We're going. We're actually starting to sing. We're gonna go, yeah. Should probably take me approximately an hour and a half to get to the border because I gotta take the back. I got my sidekick with me. I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, we're at the border. The border's just, you can see a grayish block up ahead. That is actually the US side, and I'm going to be pulling up, crossing over into the United States. Once I get to the other side, I'll be back up and running. We'll be back together. That's Canada Customs. That's US Customs right up ahead right there. There's absolutely nobody at the border. Hold on, let's go up a little bit further. And that is New York on the other side, as you can see. Interesting. We want to take 9. Something tells me if we go that way, it's not Route 9, but if we go that way, it's gonna be Route 9. So we're gonna go this way, and then we're gonna go down. Okay, this is 9 right here. Where does 11 North take you? Oh, that looks nice over there. Let's go that way right fast, see what's going on. See a marina over there. This is the bridge to Vermont. Okay, this way after. There you have it. I ain't taking it, but I'm gonna just bust a Yui. How you doing?
Good, my love.
You good? Gonna go stretch our legs out some a little bit there. Was it me or was that road bumpy? Okay. I thought it was just me. And this is the beach we usually go to. It's called Cumberland Beach. But there's a big sign here that says no swimming. There must be a reason why, huh? What do you think the reason is? Maybe it's because it's yeah, it's still cold, yeah. Welcome to downtown Plattsburgh, New York. Small city, small town, USA. Where there's like 5 shops and like probably lots of places to wet your whistle around here, since this is downtown and this is pretty much a college town. Last minute flashes, awesome. And we'll be turning here on Broad Street. No, we'll be splitting and we'll be taking Cornelia Street. What you see around here now is going to be the SUNY, or State University of New York. All the dorms, all the faculties, all the buildings. I've been here, I lost count of how many times I've been here. Let's just say 30 to the city, down the road, the 87, God, I don't know, probably at least 100 times, at least 100 times. State University of New York. That's our favorite buffet right there, Jade. That's our favorite buffet. $7.25, all you can eat. Shit. That's right. See it? Babe just gave me a thumbs up on this side. You couldn't see it, but she gave me a thumbs up because she liked that buffet just as much as we almost eat there every time we come here. Then you got KFC, the equivalent to Canada's Quebec's PFK, Poulet Frit Kentucky. You got your Star Rite Aid, you got your Texas Roadhouse, you got your Big Sturbix, you got your Taco Bills. We have yet to eat at this buffet though.